Now we're gonna start working with the Amazon Glacier. Now the Glacier is similar to S3, but it's used usually for archiving data and data that is infrequently accessed. So like let's say that you have some old files you want to store on the cloud and you are not frequently accessing it. To do so, you can use the S3 Glacier, which will provide you with a much cheaper storage cost comparing with the amount of storage you will take, and it's cheaper also comparing to S3. Now we will be dealing with the client again, Amazon Glacier client. We will need to pass the basic AWS credentials, and also we need to have a vault name. Now I'm using the same name as the bucket we already created, and notice right here in the constructor I'm just passing the credentials and the region endpoint. We're gonna start with the basic operation, which is creating an vault. Now it's not called bucket as S3, it's called a vault, where you can have your data stored and retrieve them. Now we're gonna need to create a vault request, and this will actually be taking from the glacier.model. And if you notice, it is like almost the same as working with the S3 storage. Now I want you to pay attention that you can set the account ID property, but if you look very carefully, if you want to just use the account ID, you just need to pass in a hyphen in the property. So we're gonna do that. Now we need to pass in vault name for sure. So now we have our own request ready to be sent. Now we're gonna create a new response, and this time we'll be calling the client dot create vault. Now again, there is async version almost for everything if you want to create async requests. So now we have created this request, and we're gonna check its status code if it has created the vault. Now just be careful that it will return created, not success, as the case of the S3 bucket. Now we're gonna just print a friendly message right here so we can know that the vault is created. Now I will run this code. Oops, we have some errors, let's just fix them. We need to using system, and now we will run it. Notice now that we have the vault created successfully, and you can see it through your AWS account. You can also use some products. I'll show you one. This is called Vast Glacier. It's a freeware to use. It has maybe some premium features that you are interested with, and it shows that this is my bucket that has been created and I can do some operation on it.